Perfect. Next up, let's welcome Kazu from Clearly. And he will tell us about their cutting-edge speech clarifying speaker. Please go ahead, Kazu.
Hi, I'm Kazu from Clearly. Clearly is a cutting-edge speech clarifying speaker for hearing loss. So have you ever had an experience that family member asks you to turn down the volume on the TV because it is too loud and annoying? My mother has age-related hearing loss, and we used to fight a lot on TV volume setting. So I wanted to solve this problem. We developed the cutting-edge speech clarifying speaker. So please compare the sound recorded with normal speaker and our speaker.
This is a Yamanote Line train bound for Ueno and Kuro. The next station is Kanda, JY2. The doors on the left side will open. 次は秋葉原、秋葉原。出口は左側です。総武線各駅停車、地下鉄日田エクスプレス線はお乗り換えです。
Oh, I hope you notice the sound difference. The key to our speaker is to deliver clear dialogue evenly throughout the room. The ordinary speaker generates sound from a single source, so sounds interfere with each other and becomes unclear when it reaches to the person. Also, only the person in front of the speaker can hear the sound well. On the contrary, Clearly has a circular 360-degree surface that is itself a speaker, so it can deliver clearer sound over a longer distance. So the film itself is so special, and we are the only company in the world that can develop it. Traction so far, we have tested 10 people, including hearing loss, and all said our speaker sounded clearer. We have already finished developing our first prototype, and by the end of March, we plan to finish creating a final version of prototype, and after that, we are ready for the mass production. So more than 48 million Americans have difficulty hearing, and this number is increasing. So first we target US market and then expand worldwide. The go-to-market strategy, first we are going to launch on Indiegogo this June and plans to do partnership with living assistance company to go into the elderly market. But our core technology of the film is to deliver clear sound per in 360-degree direction. So it is not only for B2C, but for B2B as well. Our device is very useful for installing large spaces such as railway or airport announcements, large conference rooms, departments, disaster prevention speakers, and so on. So we have a very solid team. I'm a medical doctor and serial entrepreneur, and co-founder Yusuke is a hardware engineer. So we are asking 1 million investment in pre-seed round and also looking for partnerships with companies that have channels to the elderly market. Thank you.
Thank you, Kazu.